What's up, everybody? Out here walking the dogs. Let me tell you, it's dry, but it's cold. The wind's blowing. It's howling. You want to say hi, Jack? We're just out here playing in the sand. It's not really a sand trap. It's actually a long jump pit here at the local middle school. They're just playing some cards. So you want to say hi, Amelia?
Hi,
Yeah. Hi. What are you making there, Jack? Anyways, out here walking the dogs. Kids wanted to come today, so we bundled up and we went on an adventure. What's going on today? Let's see. Anyone see LeBron's performance last night? What a banger, huh? 21 points in the fourth quarter. That dude can ball, let me tell you. Other than that, just I got a drawing done today, so that was good progress. I read some of my book. I just got back home, my chest is sore. I'm gonna do a back exercise today. Baby, don't put sand on Jackson, okay? Uh-oh. These kids are getting wild out here. Sand party. So I better keep an eye on them. Other than that, everyone have a great day. Oh yeah, I was going to mention my sister-in-law, Kim. She was saying I should do a mukbang on this vlog here. I don't know about all that, but I don't know what I would do or what I would eat. I think those things are weird as they are, but, you know, I'm down to try anything once, I guess. Anyways, have a good day, everybody. Maybe shave tonight. Jeez. Look as worse as this pandemic is. Alrighty. Have a good day. Peace.